Wow, this is a treasure trove of reclaimed church pews. What will you create?
Yeah, I don't know how much you know about woodworking, but our church just removed all the pews, and so we have a ton of wood here. If I show you some of the wood or tell you about it, can you give me some more creative ideas about what we can do with this?
Absolutely. Reclaimed wood from church pews has so much character and history. I'd love to help you come up with creative ideas for it. Could you tell me more about the wood?
Yeah, we've got a bunch of oak. They are 20 inches wide and about 3/4 of an inch thick and like 6 feet long, 14 feet long. We've got a ton of huge pieces, and the seats are all made of pine. And there's almost about 1,250 board feet of both the oak and the pine. We have a ton of wood to work with. Being a complete rookie carpenter, where's a good place to get started?
With such a large amount of quality wood, starting by building a traditional carpenter's workbench would be a great first step. How do you feel about taking that on as your first project?
Why don't I take some pictures of the wood, and maybe you've got some good ideas about what that workbench could look like. Does that make sense?
That makes sense.
That's great. I'll send some pictures here.
I can definitely help you brainstorm ideas for your workbench based on the wood you have and your preferences. Together, we can come up with a design that makes the best use of your materials. Maybe you should post this online and ask people to comment. There are a lot of carpenters out there with amazing ideas.